Well, I just ate. and but oh, okay.
What did you eat?
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, what'd you get?
I got a milkshake.
Ooh.
And I got a hot dog.
I had a hot dog today too!
What do you have with your hot dog?
Nothing. Like a dry hot dog.
Oh.
Weenie and
Mine was-
bread.
Where every time you like play a game or whatever or get XP, you can level up specifically that battle pass, and it has like items that you can earn while you play. Yeah.
I'm the jump master. Follow me.
Oh.
Which you get normally, but it's not the same. You know, it's cooler if you pay for them.
Stay on me.
It's cooler if you pay for them?
That's what they want you to think anyways. I'll wait
Yeah.
until Mume gets back.
Imagine spending money on a game, right? Imagine a shooter game. Imagine
But you get cool
putting
skins.
money in CSGO.
Hello.
Oh, hey! Hello.
Did I
Hi.
enter a roast?
A little bit.
Hold on tight.
Failed attempt. Did you get what do you, I don't know CSGO. I know that everybody's like, oh, I gotta get my gun, my what is it? Rainbow knife?
Yeah, it's just knife skin. I mean, there's cool gun skin. No, I didn't get one.
How much money did you...
Not yet.
Oh god.
It only costs $130 yet.
Okay, that's how it starts, right? Mozambique.
That's how it starts.
That's how
I'll
it
take it.
starts. That's how they
Oh,
get you.
you took it.
Oh, sorry. Do you want the Mozambique?
No. I'm just...
Oh, if you want it, you can have it. I think
No.
it's a good gun. Oh, okay. What about the P20? Wait. I like this one.
Ew, no.
What? What do you mean? Ew, no.
Ew, P2020?
There's people. Wait.
Is it that
There's a
bad?
hemlock here.